I hope you are enjoying this training, right? So in this training, I will show you the simple concept of a domain name and hosting, and then I show you how you can get free hosting. I mean, free hosting to start hosting your website and using for your practical, right? So what is a domain name and what is hosting? Like this website.com defines a domain name as a domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. A domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. But I define a domain name as the single identity of your website. So when you go to a website, www.facebook.com, www.google.com, .yahoo.com, it's called a domain name. And people who are started with the responsibility of selling domain name for you are calling registrar. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you how these domain names can be purchased, and hosting can also be purchased. So hosting, let's just see, according to websites.com, also web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or their web page on the internet. So I call it a simple space online where you put your computer, where you put your website files. So when you finish designing your website, or when you want to start designing your website, that space is just like when you are buying a phone. They'll tell you you need a phone with a 4 gigabyte space, 3 gigabyte. So the more the space of the phone, the more the amount you're paying, right? So that is what a domain name and hosting is. But in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free hosting and you host your website on it. So let's get right into the training. Okay, so I was going to talk about free hosting, right? So I was going to talk about free hosting. So apart from the fact that you can get to buy your domain name and your hosting, from those guys, we also have what free hosting, right? So this InfinityFree.net gives you free hosting, right? They give you free hosting. So for you to get started with InfinityFree.net to get their free hosting, all you need to do is just click on agree when you come to their site. So you have to agree, right? So when you agree, then you click on sign up. Can you see that when you click on sign up, then you enter your mail. So this is my mail. So enter the password you want to use. So you read that the terms, then you agree that you're not a robot, then you click on create new account. Awesome. So can you see that? So they have sent me an email, right? So let me just go right into my mail and then confirm that email. So Infinity Free will give you free hosting and domain name. So let me just confirm that. So you see that verify email, so I'll just click on this and then I'll just copy this to the browser. So just copy that to the browser. I'll close this. So that has been verified. So let me log in. So let me just log in. Okay, so they really get to do this a lot of time. When you want to log in for the first time, they'll tell you these credentials do not match. So let me Alright, so yes, so sometimes they do it when you want to log in for the first time, tell you credentials do not match. So just try to log in again, right? So you can see that they have already given me an account on the website. So when you just come to the website, so there's no account here, so you click on create an account now. So click on create an account. So they'll give you this kind of pop-up, just close it. It's an advert from there. So you create an account. So when you create an account, they will ask you what domain name you want to use, subdomain. So you can use a custom domain, that is, you buy a domain name and connect it to their server. But do not do that, because if you want to use this free hosting, it's only for practice purpose, right? So let me say I want to use it, so I can say Aberdeen. So Aberdeen wallet. So I'll come here and I will say I'll choose anyone I want here. So website.com, infinityfree.com, pc.com. So anything you want to choose here, just choose anyone. But let me just go with this guy here. Let me go with infinityfreeapp.com. So that's my, if I click on search domain names, so it's on the domain available. Abandoned wallets, the infinityfreeapp.com is available. So you see that. So website for this account label, good. So account unique password. So I'll do the same password that I used before. So I'll say I'm not a robot, and I'll create this account. So can you see that? So my account has been created. Can you see that? So open control panel, which is the cPanel or view client area. I can click on view client area. So when I click on view client area, I'll be taken to this area. Can you see that? So I click on control panel. So you see that it will redirect me to their control panel. I say, I'm try to change service account, so I change the whole. Please click approve. So you just click on this and approve. So thanks, the panel will now load. Awesome. Can you see that? So they have given me free cPanel. Let me log into a paid cPanel which I purchased, so that you also see. Look at this. Let me log into this paid cPanel. Let's see. This is a paid cPanel. So you copy the username and password and go here. So this is a paid cPanel. Can you see that? This is a paid cPanel. Can you see that? This is a paid cPanel. So see, this is a paid cPanel and this is a free cPanel. Can you see that? There is actually no difference between the free cPanel and the paid cPanel. Can you see that? So this is a free cPanel. So you can go ahead, for the purpose of practice, you can create this free cPanel, right? So this is a paid cPanel. It's not that it's purchased, right? So this is a free cPanel and this is a paid cPanel, right? So go ahead, use your phone or your laptop or your computer to browse through this website, check out this website, and make sure you register on this website. I told you before, let me tell you something again. This training is focused on you being, a CEO and a boss of yourself. Because at the end of this training, I'm going to also show you how you can get clients for everything that you're learning. So it is not a kind of training that some people contacted me and say, hey, just send me the training videos and materials. Let me send you 1,500. I told them, no, you must pass through this training. If you don't want to pass through this training, you have to pay 50,000 naira before I can send you the information. And if you're not ready, you can simply just fuck off this training. Right? So I'm not here for kidding. I want to use this to empower people. I want to use this to help people. I charge 100,000 naira if you want to come and do this training in our office. So guys, go ahead and try this, and in our next tutorial we will write into our cPanel and create our first website. So in that particular training, I'll teach you how to clone a particular website and take that website to the cPanel. So guys, I'll see you in the next.